Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now remember, I've been doing batch videos, so therefore I can get them out to you while I'm going out to see moms for Mother's Day. So at the time of this filming, the watch face was free, so hopefully it is still free when you go to check it out. And if it is, make sure you download it because I think it's worth the download. All right, with that being said, let's check out this video. Now, the name of the watch face is called Particle Orange. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. You're going to get the same thing. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get the day of the week at the top. You're going to get your digital time in the middle. All your step status info is going to be up under the digital time, like calories burned, your step information, heart rate, floors climbed. And I like the index that gives you an analog theme. Not a bad look for a digital watch face at all. And in the background, you got particles moving, so you got slight animation that really gives this unique look. Now, it shouldn't burn that much battery life at all, especially considering that you have a black background. You should be good. Now, you can tap right here on the day of the week, and you can go in and of course set an event. Here, if I tap on my steps, I can bring up my step status. Same thing for calories burned. I can bring up my calories burned information, my heart rate. I thought it was a great look for a free watch face, especially considering that the watch face is still free, but I still think it's worth the download. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. Just have fun, enjoy family, but most of all, be safe. And again, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on the watch face. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.